Welcome back, everybody. So we've almost made it to fall. Can you believe it? Time is flying, and I let this month get halfway through almost without giving my patrons a shout out. So we're going to do that today, as well as something different. You know, I usually like to do giveaways during my patron shout out videos, but since we're doing a multitude of giveaways this month, I thought we would do something different. Some of you out there might recognize my magic name bowl / cauldron thing over here. And this is what I use to draw names for those of you who'd like me to review your haunts. This is something we've done a few times in the past. It was really fun. A lot of you enjoyed it, and I, of course, enjoy seeing all of your haunts out there as well. So I thought we'd pick another name today and do a haunt review instead of the usual giveaway announcement. Hopefully we'll get to do some more of those. If you're interested in having me review your haunt, you can send me a message on Instagram. I'm at Happy Haunter. Or, you know, of course, our Facebook group where there used to be a thread. I'm sure I will resurrect that here soon, just with everybody's name who has got their name in the magic cauldron here. And, you know, if you're interested in adding your haunt as well, you can add your name to that list. Anyway, some way get your name to me. I'll put your name in the bowl, and then maybe you'll get drawn one of these times. But before we get to all of that, of course, it is time to thank our wonderful patrons. These are the fabulous people out there that help support the channel, and they include people like Gareth from Acorn and Oak, Allison Waldron, B. Hugh, Backbeat Janette, Carla Perea, Cathy Lacy, Craig Thomas, Eerie Eric, Brady Zone, Halloween Heathen, Halloween Inflatable Geek, Heather St. John, Indiana Jones, Josh the Inflatable and Tractor Guy, Kip and Jace, Lauren McLean, Patchouli Julie, Paula Allison, Prince Alarming 85, Shannon Fredrickson, Sharon Thomas, Skull Crane Entertainment, Southern Screams, Spooky Bev, Spooky Spectacle, Stephanie Schrutek, Stephen Miles, and Teara. Thank you all so much for supporting the channel. If anyone else out there would like to do so, you can find the link to our Patreon page below. It gives you a couple of wonderful benefits, but of course for our drawings, and this month there are 10 of them, you do get automatically entered into those as well as a bonus entry as just part of my special thank you to all of you out there. And of course, if you aren't interested in joining my Patreon team, that's absolutely fine too. Just I would appreciate it if you like, comment, and share the videos. So thank you so much for that. But along with our shout outs for the patron, of course, we'd like to see what they are up to for those patrons that have YouTube channels. So let's go ahead and take a look. So we'll start here in no particular order with Halloween Heathen. Now, lately I've decided I'm only going to showcase people whose channels have been updated since the last time we took a look. And unfortunately, Halloween Heathen, you're not one of them, but I am going to start showing them just these couple of months here because we're so close to Halloween that I want to make sure that everybody out there is aware of these pages. So Halloween Heathen has some Halloween videos out here. He does all things Halloween reviews, hauls, DIYs, stories, and more. The last video that we saw was a Home Depot Halloween 2021 of Mr. Moldy, which I didn't see in the store. So take a look at the video if you want to see what that's all about. But he's got a couple of videos here dating all the way back to 3 years ago. So check him out. We also have Southern Screams here. And Southern Screams is a haunted attraction in Charleston, South Carolina. And if you watch the videos, I think you're going to be amazed because they put in so much effort. It is a wonderful display, and I can't wait to see what they do this year. Josh the Inflatable and Tractor Guy. He loves inflatables, tractors, and singing fish, so check out his channel. And he has a website as well. Oh, I don't think I've noticed that before. We'll have to take a look at that too. But let's take a look at the videos since our last check-in. See, new for 2021 is a Slimer. I bought a Slimer last year, but did we not see that already this year? Oh, there we go. He's got a lot of Slimers, it looks like. But Josh does reviews on every sort of inflatable. I don't know where he gets them all. It's amazing, and you just have to see it to believe it. All right, let's see who's next. We have T-Cat Makes, and T-Cat Makes is eventually, hopefully, going to post some videos about playing games and enjoying life and having fun. Halloween Inflatable Geek. Let's check out the about here. Testing, finding, picking up inflatables, exploring different products. You never know what you're buying if you can't see it first, and his job is to help you in your quest to have the best, coolest yard display. Also, not just Halloween every season. All right. So, let's see. Since the last check-in, we have a Bath & Body Works 2021. That's one store I have not looked at this year. Last year, I think it was last year, I bought some Happy Haunting hand soap, which I still use. It smells actually pretty good. Here's a Fright Night Lights 1989 find. Wow, we're getting vintage now. And then Giant Eagle is putting out some Halloween merchandise. So got some good tips on where to shop there. Spooky Bev. Spooky Bev likes dark humor and Halloween and spooky things. You can be a friend with her if you agree. But she hasn't posted in a year, unfortunately, but I know she's more active on other social media. But you can look through her old videos. Lots of fun Halloween vlogs and things. Hopefully we'll see some more videos from her eventually. All right, Spooky Spectacle. Regardless of the time of year, it's never too early to start prepping for Halloween. Here you will find Halloween-inspired decorations, food, and drinks. Oh, and maybe other spooky spectacles. Now, I'm excited to see Spooky Spectacle has a new video out because it's been 5 months since the last one. So here she's taking a look at the Spirit Store and what is in store at the Spirit Store. So that's another store I have yet to make it to yet this season, but it's on my list, so stay tuned. If you want a sneak peek, check out Spooky Spectacle. Now, Frady's Own. Here's a paragraph. Let's see. Every year we do our best to imagine and create an entirely different theme for our Halloween home haunt, and this includes making most of their own props. It's a lot of fun and it's often quite a challenge. Fortunately, there's tons of inspiration to be found from so many places, including from the many talented haunters out there. Whenever that is the case, we love to give a shout out to those who have particularly inspired us. And inspiration has hit because she has got a new video just popped up today, or probably yesterday or a couple of days ago by the time this video gets posted. But she has done a Frankenstein prop build. I mean, she has some very atmospheric and kind of video quality videos. So I was excited to see how she built her Frankenstein prop. Okay, Skull Crane Entertainment is animatronic demonstrations, haunt walkthroughs, store tours, setup videos, and more. And since our last check-in, we've got several new videos here. We've got a pumpkin door knocker, a scarecrow door knocker. Looks like we're testing lots of products. Headless Jack, Home Depot Halloween. Looks like we've got some fun stuff at his Home Depot. I know a lot of you out there are having problems finding all the good stuff, so I have to get the videos here so you can see what it is and then go on your search and quest to find them. Here's a clown toe tapper. Not sure what that is, but clown anything's kind of creepy. Kind of curious as to what that is. 14 seconds, but you should check it out. I don't want to click it. You'll have to be surprised. Go check out his channel. Acorn and Oak is the new rebranded name of formerly Created Home with G. From 2021, I'll be uploading crafts, DIYs, mixed media, decorate with me, hauls, and more from September through December with an occasional video live here and there. He's a crafter, special needs support teacher. On this channel, you'll see a variety of videos from seasonal craft home tours, lifestyle videos, hauls, shop with me, style videos, household decor, upcycle and recycle videos, and of course, design team videos. And since our last check-in, we've got a few new videos. Here is a cheap and easy pheasant feather, that's a mouthful, napkin rings, ideal for autumn, including, you can also check out his autumn decorating. Decorates his hutch over here, his mantle over here, gives you a couple of crafts for autumn decor, but of course I like this little ghost candle holder that he's crafted out of clay. Not really something I can do because I'm not crafty like that, but I like watching it. And then last up here we have Indiana Jones. And she is a crafter, costumer, indie actress, cosplayer, mom, and friend. She loves crafting in all mediums and trying out new techniques and testing out new skills. So what can you expect on this channel? A lot of fun as she crafts and creates on a budget, thrift hauls, and flips, and just enjoying this adventure called life. So Indiana Jones likes to dress up as fun and wacky characters and craft with us and do DIYs and sometimes recipes and so forth. But she posts several times a month, and you can check out some videos such as Dollar Tree Pumpkins, turning 4 ways, shabby chic, vintage, cottage core, and dark academia. Interesting what we can do with some dollar store pumpkins. Fall decor, garlands. What she dressed up as there, enchanting fall and Halloween decor. But here is, of course, what has interested me most, Day of the Dead Sugar Skull Wreath, because that is my theme this year, Day of the Dead. And I can't wait to check out her videos and see what we can do. Once again, thank you very much, patrons. I really appreciate your support. And with that out of the way, let's go ahead and move on to the Magic Cauldron and find out whose haunt we are going to review this video. I was going to say this month, but I'd intended to do these videos of haunt reviews a little more frequently than we got around to it. I think I've only done like 3 of them at this point. There aren't that many names in here though, so I guess I have to be a little sparingly. If you want to put your name in the Magic Cauldron, the odds are pretty good that I'm going to review your haunt. But let's go ahead and see who we are going to review today, and that is Halloween Collector. All right, let's see if we can find Halloween Collector. Okay, I think I've got it here. We have Halloween Collector, 1.14 thousand subscribers. Let's see what the about says. Halloween animatronic reviews and displays. All right, so looks like he's got a number of videos. Very exciting. So I think if I scroll down, I have found a couple. Let's see, where are they? Where are they? We're looking for 2020. We're looking for last year's. Oh, I think I've gone way too far. Have I? Anyway, okay, 2020 nighttime yard haunt and a daytime yard haunt. So let's go ahead and check out the daytime yard haunt first. All right, we've got a lot of tombstones. I like how you put all the skull. Oh, there's the giant skeleton. He's hard to find. You got lucky. But I like how you got everything, or things coming out of every gravestone. Wow. That is a scary looking clown. Love him. I'm assuming that's a spirit prop, but I'm not certain. I think there was Pennywise there, but we didn't really get to see it. He's for sure from Spirit, and of course the Jack in the Box there we saw at Home Depot last year. Very creepy. I like how you tie in the... Oh, Bubba. Pennywise fits in perfectly with these other clowns, so that worked out pretty nice. I like how you've got them tying both sides of the sidewalk there together. So, that guy's actually fairly creepy. Alright, so you have to walk past him. There's another clownish thing, jester. On the porch here. Oh, I guess that's it, huh? Okay. Ended a little abrupt. So, let's see. Let's go ahead and take a look at the nighttime view and see how that changes things. I like the lights all the way across the fence. And the lights shining on the tombstones. Gives it that nice ethereal look. Oh, there we've got a strobe light. Love the giant skeleton. Of course, he's perfect in your graveyard with all the other things popping out. Would almost think it'd be kind of cool if they were all skeletons in this area. Kind of like how you have all the clowns over in this area. That guy's really creepy. I like how the strobe light is going up on his face. I think if you put some like projection effects in those windows, you could bring that to the next level. Oh, wow. Okay, love the strobe light on Pennywise, because he's very scary and creepy by himself, but there's something about adding the strobe light that just makes everything extra creepy. Not really a fan of his eyes, though. I guess it's kind of like the dead lights. I wonder if you could make those, like, project out somehow like real dead lights. I think if we put a little spotlight on the doghouse there, that might work a little bit better. Wow. I've never seen this guy at night. Hey, where did the other clown go, by the way? But this guy is really creepy. I love that. That is amazing. Right. I personally would be a little leery of having my trick-or-treaters walk that close to my props. There's that guy on the porch. Might need a little light on him next time. And then, of course, the porch decor. Oh. You know, these props look so much nicer at night. You see them in the stores, and you're kind of like, that's not too impressive. But when you see like his face all lit up like that at night, that is pretty cool looking. All right, what are we going to look at next? I guess just another overview of the haunt. Is that it? We're almost over. I want to know where the other clown went. Huh. I like the all the lights on the porch. Okay. Thank you very much, Halloween Collector, for letting us take a look at your 2020 haunt. I can't wait to see what you do for 2021. I will put the link to your channel in the description below as well for any of the other viewers out there who want to take a look at his haunt as well. So that'll do it for today. I want to thank you all for watching, and thanks again for the patrons and Halloween Collector. And again, if you want me to take a look at your haunts, be sure to let me know. So until next time, thanks for watching, everyone. Take care. Happy haunting.